On the other hand, men who had been married tended to have higher IQ scores as children compared to those who hadn't been married. So, what does this mean? Part 2. It's a very complex topic with lots of different things, so it's really, really important that we cover exactly what it's saying. So, for every increase in intelligence by 1 standard deviation, men were more likely to get married by middle age. However, for women, the opposite was true. For every increase in intelligence, women were 58% less likely to get married by middle age. So again, more intelligent women, less likely to get married, less intelligent men, more likely to get married. They also looked at the type of job, and they looked at other factors as well. So the type of job someone had in middle age also influenced whether they were likely to be married or not. Women in professional jobs and men in manual jobs were less likely to be married by middle-aged. And when the researchers also looked at other factors like social class and height, they found that intelligence, height, and social class all played a role in whether someone was married, but they all acted independently as factors. So that is very important to note that the study did not just look at IQ, intelligence, it also looked at height, social class, occupational status, or whether someone had a job, etc. So it's really, really important that we don't ignore those extra factors because they clearly have an impact on the study's results. So I'd like to just zoom out a little bit and reflect on how impactful this study has been and how important it has been in terms of media coverage. So a lot of newspapers and magazines and websites really picked up on this study and essentially became attached to this thing that intelligent women were less likely to get married and brainy women are more likely to be single, whereas, less intelligent men were more likely to be married. And there are plenty of articles about this, sort of from 10 or 15 years ago, plenty of YouTube videos, a lot by Jordan Peterson, plenty of influencers still use this phrase today. So it's really important to realize how impactful this study has been in the mainstream media and in society in general. And here are some further examples of just how popular and impactful this study has been. So it's been covered by ABC News, it was covered in Forbes, and it was covered in The Guardian. And the links are provided here if you'd like to read how they've been covered.